So, new big box. New big box has an embargo sticker on it.
I don't know what that means.
Oh, but see, it's got to check the release date. We're not allowed to release this. And this box has so much release inside of it.
Well then, release it.
Release it like what?
The Kraken.
Not a Kraken.
Whatever.
You're gonna look so dumb thinking it was a Kraken.
I am gonna look very, very dumb.
So you can, oh, still need the knife. Getting all the. So much head. I'm gonna tell people that I hunted this myself.
Shall we unwrap it?
Yes. Why do I keep putting the knife away?
Lucky for you, I've got one as well.
Ooh, it's vaguely squishy.
Is it?
Yeah.
I would have expected dragon's heads to be a bit more dense.
So, there we have it. What do you reckon? This is a hunting trophy. We are going to start having trophies up along the wall to go with the illithid that I heroically slew back in 2016.
Okay. When did you kill this one? Did you kill this one?
Yes, yes, 100% by myself. It was a heroic battle. You see, the dragon never expected me to go after his treasury bonds. And when it was weeping at all of that value going up in flames, that's when I took it to debtor's court. And it slew itself. It cut its own head off rather than actually have to pay up.
Way to strike a man down, kick a man while he's down.
Yes. See, that's how you slay dragons.
Impressive.
And now we can imagine this. Radioactive. Opperinos, if you actually want your very own dragon trophies, these things are available. We will have them up on the site. And whilst this one is intended to be for store display, we will do our very best to make sure that we can get these out to you should you want one for your very own guild hall or living room. We'll see you in debtor's court. For legal reasons, that was a joke, and we will see you on the battlefield.